My name is Chris, and welcome to the Camper Dan Files. Hi guys, so today we're here at the storage for my wife's cargo trailer. We have some work to do. We're gonna be swapping out this tongue jack. This one, it's broken, guys. I don't know if you notice here, but the crank is missing. It actually just expelled itself, and come to find out that the gears were broken. So we got a new replacement. We got to get this thing supported and then get these fasteners off here. So here we have my 6-ton jack stands supporting the trailer on either side, and we have it slightly jacked up by the tongue here so we can get pressure off of the jack. And I thought that there were going to be nuts on the back side of these bolts, but there aren't. It's just 3 bolts, and then it's ours. So let's go ahead and get to work. So this takes a 14mm socket, and we're going to use a 14mm 1/2-inch socket along with my 1/2-inch ratchet and extension here. So to my surprise, guys, these aren't even really that tight. They're coming right off. I'm amazed. Simpler than I had imagined. So this is good. This is something that me and my wife, we're trying to get done for weeks now. I probably bought the replacement jack 6 weeks ago, and I've just been sitting on it. And today was the day because we've been busy with work and our life schedule as a whole. Boom. So now that those 3 fasteners are out, we're gonna go ahead and take off this pedestal down here and then just slip this whole assembly up and out. And out it comes. So there's the old unit. Let's get our replacement. Our Harbor Freight replacement. This one has a 2,000 pound lift capacity. It didn't come with any new hardware, so we're just gonna reuse the old ones. And here it is. So now we're just gonna drop this in, like so. Uh-oh. I already see one issue we're gonna have. Our leveler here is gonna be in the way. I don't know if we can twist it. Nope. So that's gonna have to come off. So we got it off, guys. It's just held in place with some 3M double-sided tape. Now we're just gonna get our fasteners back in here. Start these by hand so you don't run the risk of cross-threading anything. Yeah, all in all, not a bad repair, guys. Not sure what the lift capacity was for our old tongue jack, but this one should be about the same or more, because there was a lighter setup that they had at Harbor Freight, and I went with the heaviest one that I could find in this range. So we're just gonna snug this guy back up. It doesn't have to be He-Man type. You definitely want it to be snug. There we go. Pedestal's back in. So right now we have the weight of the trailer sitting on my 6-ton jack stands. I'm gonna go ahead and finish lowering this guy the rest of the way. And there, the weight is now off of my jack stands. So I just had my wife back me up here. We're not hitching the trailer. We just wanted to make sure that this jack could definitely lift it tall enough. And it can. We have plenty of clearance. So this has been a successful repair. Again, on the underside, you can see the fasteners there. They don't even stick in that far. There's one of them. There's the other one. Front one you can't see from here, unfortunately. But yeah, and that's exactly how it was with the previous jack. It's only a couple of threads holding it. I know, some amazing stuff, but as long as it works. Thanks again for stopping by the Camper Dan Files. My name is Chris. If you've enjoyed today's video, go ahead and give it a like. And while you're at it, don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, keep using your Pathfinder as a Pathfinder, on or off the pavement.